Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and of course, Avalanche, guys. And we did hit our target that I talked about. I still think there's more upside, but we're going to talk about that as well. Guys, this is incredible. If you guys have been following me, I've only been doing this channel for about 5.5 months now. We caught Bitcoin at the bottom at 28, 29. We caught Ethereum at 1,700, guys. We caught Matic at 69 cents to 72 cents. We got Cardano at $1. Solana, we were talking about that at $28. Shib, we were getting that for nothing when no one else even knew about it. And then we talked about Avalanche. We've been talking about Avalanche, and now Avalanche is just working its way up. It hit my fib perfect. We talked about it. We talked about it down here. And now we're up here. You guys would have at least made 50% profit already. I'm a little disappointed in this one because I've been buying this since it's been down here on Coinbase when it first came out. And then I really started loading it, though, right around the 70 mark. And this is when I really started to talk about it. So you guys didn't miss much. But either way, I mean, this is awesome. Awesome move for Avalanche. Another great one that we called. I do have some other things in the works. But like I said, some things changed on the way that it's set up. So now I have to do a lot of research on how to make sure I tell you guys how to do it. Or what I might just do if it becomes too much of a hassle, if I got to wait any longer, because I don't want to keep you guys hanging any longer, what I might just do is, kind of do just a quick summary of everything and then just have you guys watch YouTube and do your own research and figure it out. I was trying to avoid that for you guys. I was trying to do, I can give you all the research I've been doing because I put in a lot of work on this stuff. And then you guys can go from there. But right now we're looking at the Bitcoin chart. Let's go back to it. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But you guys remember we talked about this this potential them painting a W pattern, okay, on here. And this left side needs to be higher than this right side. Well, they brought this left side still. I mean, the left side has to be lower than the right side, which is happening right now. So they are painting the W. Now, what I don't want to see, which we came very, very close to, I don't want to see this line break. Actually, let's make it a different color. Let's make it green. I don't want to see 55, 625 area breaking. Okay. I don't want to see that. I want to see this hold up, create a nice W. Then when we break the W, guys, this is when this trend's going to break. And this is when Bitcoin should start to break out. We might hit a little resistance, retest, and go. That's what I'm looking at. So let's see if that develops because we did talk about it. I didn't make a video yesterday, guys. And you guys can see with the 50-day moving average is acting as resistance that we talked about that, okay? So everything we talked about on Saturday's video played out perfect. We're in my purple box again. We want to see this W create. So we want to see something like this happen, guys, where we come up, we go boom, down, touch, middle, down here, and now we want to see it rise. And then we want to see this part break right here. And then maybe we can break out of this. The target on that W, if this does play out, guys, that's an if. So we got to make sure it does. But I was seeing this on Saturday way before it was happening. And usually I'm pretty good with that stuff, but sometimes, the charts change, but this is what we prepare for. It's all about seeing the future, right? This will actually take us to our target coming in right around 64,500, where I would look for rejection there. So something like this could happen where we come out of it, we create the W, we come out of here, we hit our target, okay? We retest this and then go. Okay, retest the trend, then go. And we're going to go over some of that with Cardano. I think I noticed it on Shib, maybe Matic. I got to go back and look. I think Matic as well. But we're going to talk about that retest and the confirmation. So now I'm looking for more upside here, guys, on the next couple candles this week, actually, for this thing to really start moving. If not, I still want to see 54,400 to the downside and 50,835 area and the 49,500 area hold up. Okay, that's to the downside. To the upside, I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 61,000 still. Okay, with our targets coming in right around 62,200 to 62,700, and then our higher targets coming in around 64,500 and 63,700. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. But keep an eye on that. This actually lines up with our target coming out of the W. Right now, we don't even have a W. Right now, we just have a half. I'm predicting the W based on just, I've been doing this for so long, guys. I see how they paint the pictures. Let's see. It looks like they're painting it right now. They could change it and trick us and bring it down farther. So let's wait for that confirmation and wait for this W to play out and then this trend to break, this middle line to break. Then we know for sure that, we're probably going to get that W pattern and go. Okay. And this is on the daily right now. 4-hour, just waiting for the trend to be broken. So yeah, let's see if this 55,600 area holds up. Ethereum, guys, same thing. If we look at the daily, okay, and we talk about the left side has to be lower, okay, and right now we're getting that. This is the middle. Now let's see if we can get a nice W off of this. Same type of thing right here. Boom, boom. Okay, middle, boom. And then let's see if we can get something like that going. All right. And then this needs to break. And then if that happens, we could see this kind of target right here. Let's see, coming in. Look at that. Guys, it lines up perfect. 48.67. I mean, these are things, and this would actually be the trend and everything. This would be the target on the trend, the W. Everything would work out exactly as we predicted. And then maybe if we get to there, if Bitcoin has a pullback where we talked about the 64,500 area, then maybe we could see something like this, rejection, and then go. Okay? If it gets rejected at that moment there, or it could just go higher. We'll have to see how that plays out. But if it gets rejected, then yeah, we could test this trend. So what I really want to see, 4-hour candle closing. Let me hold on. Let me delete this, guys, so I can get this better. So we can look at this better. You know what? These two top lines, I really like these two top lines. I still like my 45.50 and the 45.20 area. But let's get a 4-hour candle closing above 44.38 to push up to that 45.50 to 45.21. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum, and I still want to see the 39.50 area hold. Okay, I want to see 39.50 area hold and a 38.80. And if we get really bad, then 3,500 to 34. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Matic. You can see Matic, we came down. Let me go to the daily. Look at this. Came out of the trend, came up, got perfect, guys. Hit our target. I mean, literally, I had 168,005,000. You guys remember this? Or 50,000. And we hit it perfect to the decimal. Boom, hit the target. That was the high of 2 days ago because I didn't do a video yesterday. Then we came down, we retested my trend, just like we talked about. Now let's see if we get a bounce here and then more upside. Okay, so I would still want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 168 and 180. And I still want to see this 145, 146 hold up. Worst case scenario, 137. And then the bottom of that move would be 122 to 116. Okay. So let's see if that happens. Let's see if those levels hold. But let's see if it goes up from here, guys. Okay. Matic, Cardano. Look, guys, Cardano, same thing on the daily. We came up, we came out, we hit our trend. We're bouncing off our trend. We looks like we're creating a W here. So let's see if that plays out. Let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, this side is okay. So the left side is lower. This side's higher. So let's go back to the daily. Okay. And if it's even, that's fine, guys. If it's even too, that's fine. We just don't want the left side always has to be lower than the right side. You can see it here. The right side's higher candle at the end of the candle for the middle. Okay. Or even, even for the end. So right here, we got boom here, and then we got the end. So this is the end. I'm sorry, I said the middle, but the end. And now, even if it doesn't have to be perfectly lined up, it could be just a little off, as long as this left side, like I said, is lower and this right side is higher. We can get this W pattern shaped up. Then we break this trend coming right around $1.95. And then the target we would draw from here to here. And that would be coming in right around, look, guys, right around our target. I mean, in our target box area. Awesome. But yeah, let's see if that happens, guys. I don't know what that message was that just popped up there. But yeah, this is looking like a bounce. Let's see if this will continue. So what I want to see hold up is the $1.71. I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above $1.90 would look nice. But let's be more conservative and see it get above $1.80. Okay, and then maybe move up to $1.87, $1.90. All right. So that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. And guys, remember on Saturday's video and Friday's video, I was talking about how they're going to paint. They might paint the picture when they cranked it down. They brought it up, and then they might bring it down one more time to create the W. Okay, so we talked about this. Solana, beautiful guys. Come on, did the video. Boom, we hit our target exactly. I'm sorry. So I did the video. We hit our targets. Perfect. Now we're getting rejection. Now, same thing. Let's look at the 4-hour. Okay. We hit our trend. We want to break this trend. All right. So I'm still looking at the 232, which was the daily high. Look at that, 232. And the 235. So we called this a long time ago. We got this, boom. And then what I want to see really hold up is the 205 to the $200 area. Worst case scenario, we talked about my fib back here coming in at $1.88, $1.87. And then if that doesn't hold, then $1. Guys, sorry, it's been a long day. 187, 184, and 178. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for Solana. Let's draw a trend here. Let's draw a trend line here. Okay. Boom. So that's what we're looking at. Let's see if this trend can hold. Let's see if we can break out of here. If we can, yeah, we're gonna push. We're gonna push high. We're gonna get. I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 232, 235. All right. SHIB, guys, same thing with SHIB. We're kind of riding this trend. SHIB's looking kind of weak. Let's look at some of the indicators here. What chart am I on? Why does this look? Oh yeah, that's right, because it hasn't been on Coinbase for that long. I'm on Coinbase. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, SHIB is just looking kind of weak. You can see that the W is not going to happen on especially on the 1 hour, because this side is higher, this side's lower. Okay, so that's not good. But let's see if it creates a W from here on out. Let's look at the 4 hour. Let's see if this has just been riding our trend. So let's see if we can get a nice reversal here. Okay, so there's something I just noticed. All right, so let's draw this up. What happened? Come on, TradingView. Oh, guys, right now is a great time to take advantage of TradingView. They're having some special offers right now for Black Friday. But let's see if this trend holds on SHIB. Right now, it looks like it is holding. It's a strong trend. So let's see if this trend holds. If it does, then yeah, we could see a reversal from here. I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 45.22. That would look nice. And I really want to see this fib holding up in at 4,000. If not, 37 to 33. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for SHIB. Guys, look at this. I said 135. Okay, then I said, okay, the two at the 618, we were going to hit that. Then look at this. We had 146 and almost 147. Guys, the high was 147,500. This fib is working great. We drew this fib all the way back here, and now it's working perfect so far. It's a little bit off, but it's been pretty accurate, right? Do I see more continuation on this? Let's see, RSI. Come on, click on it. RSI is in the 80s. It's a little high. It's a little high. I'm seeing more upside. Guys, I love Avalanche. I've been telling you guys about this. This was easy money if you guys took this. It's still looking good. I mean, is it a little top heavy right now? Yeah, but it's still looking very, very well. You know, I'm wondering, when was the moons, guys? Let's do a quick moon chart. I don't think I've ever done this with you guys. Let's see. Moon chart. Let's see what we have. I have this moon chart set up. Let's see here. We have divergence. We have the moon here. Okay, that was upside. So this was back on November. Okay, 19th. So we had a nice upside there. Then you can see where we get the full moons, upside, half moon downside. These moons, let's go to the daily actually. Those are 1 hour. That's why it looks funky. All right, you can see the moons, guys. So you can see when the new moon comes out, tank, full moon up, new moon, tank, full moon up, new moon, tank. Okay. Yeah, let's see what happens. There's actually a new moon, guys. We could be creating the W. Look at, oh my God. Guys, I haven't done this chart in probably months. I haven't looked at this chart in months. And look at this. Look how perfect. I mean, guys, we're even bouncing in my fib area that I had. That's incredible. We might be looking for a reversal. Let's see what happens here. I mean, let's see what happens, guys. How much time do I have left? That was just a little bonus for you guys. And if some of you guys don't know, this is called it's called moon phases. Okay, it's on TradingView. But it's the real moon, guys. This is not just an indicator. This is new moons and full moons. So when the full moon, this is a full moon. The full moon just came out. What was it? Looks like November 19th or 18th or 20th. Let's ask Google. Okay, Google, when was the last full moon?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, of course Google doesn't know. Yeah, this, should I ask Alexa next? I mean, what's going on? All right. So, but yeah, that's when the moons come out. So that's pretty cool. But I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. I'm going to keep you guys updated on everything, and I'm going to try to get some of that homework done for you guys to try to clear some things up. Listen, I'm going to put my link to Webull in the description. You guys deposit $100. You get free stocks, free SHIB if you use my link. You got to wait a couple days, and then you can always take your money back out. At least you got free money. Also, if you share the link with 3 other people, they give you an Apple share worth about $160 right now. So you can get a free $160 and take your money out. But listen, I think that's it. I'm also going to put my link to Twitter in the description. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. It helps my channel. Hit the thumbs up. Much love to you guys, and peace out.